Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Ayan, mag-i-script tayo ng ating sasakyan. Naka-start na yan, parang ma-warm up yung makina, no? Ayan, no? Alright. Itong mahirap pag yung winch, no? Kagabi kasi medyo warm. Tapos pag bumaba yung temperatura, yun, dumidikit yan. Kaya alam niyo yung di ba, sample lang, no? Bigyan ko kayo ng logic. Yung ice sa loob ng refrigerator, di ba mainit ang katawan natin, yung kamay. Pag hinawakan mo, dumidikit. Ganun yun mga kakikoy ko. Condensation tawag.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ano? So, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko, no? Good afternoon mga kakikoy ko. Oh my God! It's winter time. Ayan, kasama ko si Charlie. Kami lang dalawa. Punta kami doon sa may bibilhin kami. Alright, Charlie boy? Are you okay, Charlie boy? Surrounding is white. Look at that. Keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. It's too early for this white air. Alright, look at that. Lots of snow. Too early this winter. Kailangan drive safely, everyone. Look like snowstorm. Look at the stop sign. It's freezing.
Oh no!
Enjoy ni Charlie yung hindi pa ako nagpalit ng winter tire mga kakikoy ko. Kasi ito yung winter na bakla kung tatawagin, no? Baklang winter. Bukas Monday dito warm dito, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tapos ngayon talaga, sabi nga nila global warming. Alright, look at that, oh. Drive safely, everyone. Alright. Enjoy ni Charlie boy. Look at that. White snow surrounding. Yung bibiyahe ng down south, as far as I know, grabing snowstorm doon. Nasa kami, northeast kami. So ito, an-update ko lang kayo. Alright. Ayan, 4-way stop, tsaka may release. Drive safely, Kikoy. Ayan. Alright. Big stop sign. Yan yung mga highway dito, highway 35. Alright. Yan si Charlie boy. Enjoy ni Charlie boy. Yan, Charlie, here. Grabe doon mga kakikoy ko, isolated na talaga. Alright. Car dealer.